idle, idle. He sat idle all afternoon. I don't like to be idle for too long. Enrage, enrage. His words enrage me. The noise from upstairs enraged me. Hoist, hoist. We hoist the flag every morning. He hoisted the laundry bag onto his back. Insolent, insolent. He was punished for his insolent behavior. Her insolent comments hurt my feelings. Threshold, threshold. I was standing at the threshold when she came. There are flowers on the threshold. Defame, defame. It is wrong to defame someone. They wrote bad things to defame her. Decorate, decorate. They are decorating the room for the party. Did you decorate the Christmas tree? Ego, ego.
Learn to control your ego.
He didn't talk to me because of his ego. Deliberately, deliberately. He deliberately pushed me, and I fell down. I deliberately did not answer the phone. Solo, solo. She took a solo walk in the park. I enjoyed my solo trip to the mountains. Appetite, appetite. When I was ill, I completely lost my appetite. His appetite has increased a lot. Stiff. Stiff. I woke up with a stiff neck. The metal rod is too stiff to bend. Disgusting. Disgusting. I hate this soup, it's disgusting. Your room is disgusting, clean it up. Discriminate. Discriminate. Don't discriminate between boys and girls. We should not discriminate against anyone. Garbage. Garbage. Please take out the garbage, it smells bad. He threw the old book into the garbage.